So this is the excavator. Let's get the man out. How do we do that? Oh, there's a little thing at the bottom of this box. Okay, that was easy enough. Now let's see if we can get the little guy open here. Hope I'm doing this right. Oh wait, here we go.
Something flew out. Might have been a hat or something. It is a hat.
Yep.
Other way.
Where?
Use your left hand. Reach directly in front of you. Back. Back. Forward. Did I say turn?
Okay, here it is. Here's the hat. Okay, so this is an official Caterpillar construction worker. I guess we're going to call him Tom. So I'm going to put his legs into position so that it won't be so hard to put him in the excavator. But first, before I get him in there, I gotta see, wire cutters.
They're up here.
Okay. You can cut the video for a second. Alright, now we're going to cut open this wire piece here. And since I did that, now we're going to put this wire on the cab. This little mirror piece allows the operator to see what he's doing when he's digging. See, did I put that on here right? No, I did not. Okay. Yeah, put it on backwards. There we go. That looks way better. All right. Now let's get this guy in the cab. It's just as hard to get in as a real excavator is.
Something just fell off.
Yes, I know. It's this mirror. This mirror looks like it's going to have a tendency to fall off a lot. It's supposed to be like on a hinge so that it can move. Alright, so now it looks like we're ready to dig. Cut the video, please. So, this excavator has a moving blade, which goes down like that for leveling activities. The cab rotates And then the boom also rotates. And now I'm going to put it down and dig a pretend load. So I hope everybody enjoys this review, and I will see you guys in the next video.